Alright guys, so shit is getting real in the cryptocurrency space. We've got Voyager declaring Chapter 11 bankruptcy. We got a lawsuit coming against Solana saying that they're an unregistered security. Coming off the heels of rapid inflation, the economy is going to shit. We have more inflation coming with Fed rate hikes later on this month. And we're also coming off the heels just a few weeks ago of the collapse of Terra Luna, which is a stable coin which we never expected. So let's start off with Voyager, which was something that I never thought would happen because they always claimed that they were FDIC insured. Basically, if you guys haven't heard yet, Voyager, which is a crypto company, claimed that all USD in Voyager was FDIC insured up to $250,000. And the way they had this set up was they had a partnership with a bank called Metropolitan Commercial Bank. But come to find out that later on, Metropolitan Bank has gone on to say, let me pull it up for you guys, FDIC insurance coverage is available only to protect against the failure of Metropolitan Commercial Bank. FDIC insurance does not protect against the failure of Voyager. Basically meaning, we have FDIC insurance, guys, but guess what? It only protects your money in Metropolitan Commercial Bank, not in Voyager. Also, the cherry on top, they were moving funds and doing shady shit behind the scenes with people's crypto. That's why they were able to get you such a high yield on your crypto, because they were doing nefarious stuff on the side. Guys, I say that to say this. If you have crypto on any exchange, you're not safe. Voyager was one of the safest exchanges or places to keep your crypto. But now, given the fact that we have stablecoins going down, we have exchanges going down, we have lawsuits against companies that you never thought would have lawsuits against, this is the wild, wild west right now. And this is exactly why crypto is here in the first place. It's about taking custody of your own coins and making sure that you're as safe as possible. Don't chase high yields, chase security and chase long-term outlook. That's why I'm such a proponent of Bitcoin and Ethereum and things that are going to be around for the long term. Let's hop into the story about Solana, because that one's it was pretty funny to me, because this guy claims that Solana is an unregistered security, basically saying that it's a pump and dump coin, which a lot of things that he says is true. The defendant made enormous profits through the sale of Solana securities to retail investors in the United States in violation of the registration provisions of federal and state securities law, and investors have suffered enormous losses. I can't read that well, but basically what he's saying is that the people who bought into Solana in the beginning, basically there was a pre-mine of Solana that a lot of people with a lot of money who invested in it were able to take advantage of. Come to find out, a lot of these people have sold off their positions later on down the line behind the scenes, and he's saying that these people are profiting off of when they bought Solana back in 2019. Is this the case? It's hard to prove, but also he's saying that Solana made a lot of promises that they never really came to fruition. But also, this guy needs to realize that that is the cryptocurrency space, right? Companies have outlooks such as Ethereum. Ethereum 2.0 was supposed to come out years ago, and it hasn't. Things take time, and oftentimes these companies have delays when it comes to dropping whatever it is they want to drop. Do I think this guy has a case? Probably not. And honestly, a lot of these cases are going to have to wait until the XRP Ripple case to see if XRP is a registered security or not. Once the decision from that case goes through, then that's going to set the precedent for all other cryptos. In my opinion, I do not invest in Solana because the network has gone down at least 8 times this year. And that's something that this guy states. Another reason why he's suing Solana is because the network goes down. It's not secure. There was a massive pre-mine, and these VC guys are going to dump on us at any point. The only saving grace I see for Solana is for more people to develop on top of it if they decide not to go with Ethereum. Right now, Cardano is looking like a much better bet than Solana in terms of a competitor to Ethereum. But for me, I'm a Bitcoin bull. I'm mostly into crypto. I do have a couple other shit coins, but for right now, I'm all into crypto. And I bring up these, and I wanted to cover these stories today because just to show you guys, crypto is a wild, wild west right now. You want to store your coins in a safe, secure place, keep them off the exchanges, and you want to make sure you subscribe because I'm dropping news updates and giving my perspective on the crypto space weekly. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.